Okay, we're back with another video. So we were at our local gym, and I was seeing if I could get like a couple extra dollars from the vending machine, just trying little stuff. But that didn't work. But I did find something very cool where I got, as you can see, all these dollar coins. So how? Yeah, but mostly, and silver dollars, and those are pretty cool. I mean, I like them. So, here's what you're gonna do. Let's show. Put it in.
Okay, so you've got this dollar. You put it in. Okay, it'll say credit $1. Then we push the change back. Did you listen?
Oh yeah.
Okay. They give us this right there.
So, this may not work at your gym because these people like stack theirs with gold coins, but you could certainly try. No harm. And
So
this is how you do it.
put some money in.
And this may not work for all vending machines, but they put a lot of dollar coins in for this one.
For
So you
$1
put it in, or however much, and then you press hard. Ooh, this is a silver one.
Oh! Now you can always say, I need a refund.
So try this out and comment if it works, and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.